All right, guys, welcome back again to another exciting one. So today we want to look at sorting. All right, so sorting is a way of, like the name implies, bringing out something based on a particular thing. Yeah, so we want to sort it. Yeah, let's say for instance now, we have house KC data frame, which I really want to paste again. I want to see how it actually is going to look like. Yeah, and we have in place it, which what should I do? I think let me use the happiness. Should I use the happiness data frame? I want to use the happiness data frame. I'm thinking of what kind of data should I use? And anyways, let me import it again. Let me just import it again from our page. Import pandas as PD. So if I should import it, I'm looking for a data that I can use. Okay. Okay, let's use the word happiness data. Let's just use this. Okay, just use this, but this time I don't want to in place anything because I just want to sort. Oops, so no, this is not what I want to do. Oh, don't let me be a little bit lazy. Let me say read underscore CSV and yeah, I'm going to say data, and data is going to, oh, come on, where are you? Oh, okay, I don't want to be lazy, but I have to. Just copy it. It's the same thing. If you like, just happiness data frame used. I just want to start afresh so that it's going to look like new. So this particular data right now, because I'm importing it again, so you're going to have the index over there. So let's say, for instance, I want to sort based on this thing. I want to sort the value based on this. All right. So you can sort in both tools. You can sort both. You can sort as a single column or multiple column, and sorting can be used for both data frame and series. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, you know what, because I've already understand how you work, I've turned this into data frame, then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say sort underscore value. So now my question is, what exactly is going to be located in this thing? That is going to be the column that you want to sort. Let me just copy and I'll paste this thing in there because I just don't want to. Oops, something happened. Oh shit. So it's telling us that data frame object has no attribute sort values. All right, it's supposed to be there. Imagine. So that's it. So you're able to sort based on this. Now the thing is it sorts like from bottom to top, like as in ascending order. So, but if you want to, let's say for instance, you want to know the top highest LT life expectancy, the top 5 people that have LD life expectancy. So instead of that, you just say ascending to be first. Let's see what is going to happen. Like, I don't want you to ascend. I just want you to start from the top to bottom. So now that you have this, you can see Singapore has ILT life expectancy, IIT life expectancy. So then you can decide to look at the first 10 or the first 5. I'm just trying to see something in my head. Yeah. So if you look at this first 5, you can turn it again into a data frame. Say 5. I just give it something like a name. So this is the first 5. So you can run it. And that's it. So if you should run the first 5, then you can practically use another method on top of it, maybe describe or something, or maybe info. Or you can say this is the first 5, or let's say based on the first 5, you just want to pick country name and you want to plot a graph all about it. Let me just say, yeah, it's not going to be dot. I'm just trying to let you know how you can play around your data. It's really, and you can plot the graph. Let's see what's going to happen. Oops, something happened. It said country name, something happened. What exactly is the problem? No numeric data to plot, and fine, that means all of the data that we have, there's no numeric data to plot around it, so it's okay. So because this is its country, so okay. So let's say another thing that we can plot, standard, let's say standard error of ladder score, regional indicator. I want to see something, upper whiskey, lower whiskey, let's say logged GDPR. So let's take a look at that. Okay, you can see it gives us the data anyways. It gives us a graph. So I just want to show you how to play around the data. So I'm just keeping my head busy. So you can literally walk around this and see how it goes, but it's really, really easy. It's something that you can do. So this is how to, sort a value. Introduction to sorting. Ascending means you make it first because it's not going to be getting from lower to top. You just it from top to the bottom. All right, and you can easily select the first 5, and if you can do that, you can put it in a variable and then plot it as a graph using the log capital. So anyways, so this is what I'm actually going to solve for now, guys. So in the next tutorial, we're going to sort by combining more than one column, and until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.